Oh, hello everyone, and today my face is super bright and today, it's not really the right brightness for it, but we are going to do the planing tournament. The big one. So there should be seven matches, and then we will go see the fish. Okay, here we go. Bad guy. Oh, that's actually pretty good. Need to put this down. Okay. 100,000 foot flyer. This guy's actually blue. It doesn't look like it since this is so bright. Okay, we have the winner. So he wins. So that means bad guy is out. Now we have two horrible guys now. So we have Battleship and Big Bird. Big Bird, yeah. Not too good. Okay then, I guess Big Bird wins. Big Bird is doing a lot better than I thought. He faces. Okay, so now we have Blue Angel versus Bombardo. So Blue Angel. That's actually very good for him. He usually does very bad. But this, Bombardo.
He's got too big a tail.
Yeah, that was bad for what he usually does in Blue Angel. So now we have Creeper versus Crystal. Crystalus! Stunty, but okay, Creeper.
You know, if you put a paper clip on the nose, that might help him go farther.
Sit down. Crystalus. Okay, so now we have Demon versus Dragon Secret. This guy is bad, but who cares?
He's not going to go.
At least he did a stunt, so we can give him a bit of a bonus. Dragon's up.
Whoa, holy
Can you get that one for me?
I almost got a haircut.
Can you get here? So I believe two more matches in.
It ends up over here.
Yeah, this video is going to go pretty fast. There's only two more matches left already. So it's Flying A+. Again, he's actually blue.
Where do you have paper clips?
No, we don't need paper clips. I like them like this. Oh, there we go. Barrel roller. Another one flew in the kitchen. Flying Ace, oh, stunty. Oh, he actually won. Flying Ace actually won. Where's the plane? Where's Dragon Secret?
Here's one.
Oh, yeah, that one. Okay. So Dragon Secret won, and he's facing Flying Ace next time. So here we go. Hypernova versus Great White. That was really good for what Hypernova usually does. Well, he doesn't usually do that, so it's not. Wait a second. I need to fold up the Great White. Great White! No! Great White! Dun, 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 dun. We're gonna need a bigger boat. Or a bigger bag to hold Great White. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, this is the final match for this time. It's gonna be Ikakuk versus Mr. Blast. Oh, Ikakuk did good. Okay, Mr. Blast. Okay, then. Looks like Mr. Blast is eliminated. I'm not quite sure, but I think Mr. Blast is eliminated. So, that is it for this video.